Hello, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Lamtex FCBC Season 5 here at Trinity University of Asia. Semifinals matchup in Life PH versus Sigma. Starting lineups for Sigma: Jeff Go, Chester C, J. Vitan, Joseph Uy, and in the starting five of In Life is Angelo Reyes, Marco, Bryant Nee, Derry Sabado, and Jedrick Yu. Okay. Tip offs, it's Sigma Ball. Jeff Go with the jumper. It's good to start the first quarter. Good start for Sigma. Assist by Chester C. Jedrick Yu to Angelo Reyes to Marco to Derry Sabado. 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Jeff Go. Jeff Go cross court pass to Joseph. Uy, no good. Rebounded by Brian Nee. Angelo to Jedrick. Jedrick, 3 points. Miss. But rebounded by Mark Hall. Sabado finding an open man to Angelo Reyes. Angelo Reyes attacks to a floater. No good. Rebounded by Joseph Uy. Joseph Uy passes to JB Tan. What a shot. Score is 4-0 in the first quarter. 11 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the first quarter. So Jedek to Sabado to Ni jumper. So JB Tan, 3 points, no good. Rebounded by Jeff Go to finish. Masyadong mainit ang Sigma for the first quarter. 6-0 run sila. There is jumper and layup no good but rebounded by Ni. What a putback by Bryant Ni. So JB Tan to Joseph Uy. Back to JV to Jeff. Jeff floater, no good, rebounded by Jeff also. Passes to JV. JV, 3 points. What a shot. 8-2, 10 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Sabado, 3 points, no good. JB rebounds. Passes to Joseph Uy. To JB. Back to Joseph. Passes to Chester C. No good. Rebounded by Chester C as well. JB, 3 points. Rebounded by Joseph to put it back. Good shot. So timeout is called by In Life PH, and we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back in action. Our score is 11-2 in favor of Sigma. 9 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Angelo to Sabado. Back to Angelo. 3-point shot. Miss. Joseph Uy tungo. No, 3-point shot. No good. Oh, nakuha pa din ni Jeff Go for an offensive rebound. JV to Jeff. Jeff, mid-range jumper. Miss. Got it by Ngo. Ngo to Joseph Uy to JV. JV Hezis. Jeff, 3 points. What a shot, and assisted by Joseph Uy. The score is 14-2. 8 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Angelo to Sabado. Sabado, 3-point shot. It's good. First points for Darius Sabado. Joseph to Jeff. Jeff to Ngongo. 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Jedrick. Jedrick jumper. Missed. Oh, rebounded by Joseph Uy. Ooh, almost stolen. But Jeff Go, 3 points. No good. Mark Hall rebounds, dribbles. Dribbles to the layup. Ooh, no good. Rebounded by Bryant Nee. Bryant Nee with the putback. So there's a mandatory substitutions for the both teams. Remember, in the first half, ang ating substitutions is 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Dahil 13 minutes per quarter ang ating game. Mandatory substitutions for the first half. Then the second half, bahala na kayo. So with Sigma ball, Rigo to Elton to Rigo. Jax to Elton, no good. Rebounded by Jamao Muya. Owner of the in-life team is Jamao Asian Zach Efron Muya. Chad to Maurik to Christian Lee. Christian Lee finding an open man. Passes to Chad to Lloyd. Lloyd to Sed. What a shot by Sed Villano. Assisted by Lloyd T. Rigo to Elton. Fakes. To Jax. Jax to Dale Nam. Passes to Rigo Cheng. Ooh! What a ball movement by Sigma Basketball. Chad to Villano. Villano jumper. Ooh! Red hot shot by Sed Villano. Second basket for him. Elton to Jax. Back to Elton. Elton 3-point. No good. Rebound by Jericho C. The playing coach of Sigma and the coach of the season. Elton jumper missed. Rebounded by Villano. Jamao passes to Lloyd to Christian Lee. Christian Lee. Oh, intercepted by Elton Zeng. Elton with the layup. So our score is 18-11 in still favor of Sigma Basketball. 5 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Villano passes to Chad Ong to Lloyd T. Oh, and a block by Dale Nang. The defensive anchor of Team Sigma. Ooh, Rigo to Dale Nang. No good. Rebounded by Christian Lee. Passes to Chad. Oh, almost intercepted by Jax. Oh, and a steal by Dale Nang. Turnover. Oy! Bad pass by Jax to Elton Zeng, leading to a Christian Lee steal. Christian Lee, straight up layup, no good. Rebounded by Dale ng Rigo to Elton. Elton, straight layup. Nope, miss! Good defense by Jamal Muya. The playing coach of In Life PH is none other than Coach Jamal's Asian Zac Efron Muya. Chad Ong to Lloyd T to Christian Lee. Oh, good defense by Sigma. Inbound for In Life PH. Christian Lee to Mauric. Passes to Villano. Villano jumper. Oh! Third basket for Ced Villano. Red hot. 3 of 3. In the first quarter. Jacks to Elton. Oh yeah, and assisted by Jamal Muya. Rigo Cheng 3-point no good and rebounded by Chad. So to our viewers, shout out to our viewers. Kaso di ko nakikita ang ating live ngayon. Oh, Jamal 3 points, no good. Oh, rebounded by Chad for the fadeaway jumper. Good shot by Chad Ong and another mandatory substitutions for the both teams. Final mandatory substitution in the first quarter. So it's Sigma ball. Our score is 18-15 in favor of Sigma. JV to Joseph. Joseph, ooh, step back jumper. It's good. Bumibasic. Jumper lang si Joseph. Uy, favorite shot. Oh, there is fakes. There is layup. Plus the foul. Pero no basket. Di na shoot eh. He, he, he. So 2 free throws for Derry Sabado and that was a foul on Chester C. First free throw is good. Second free throw, also good. So our score is 20-17. 3 points na lang ang lamang. Ooh! At pinalayo pa ni Ngo. 23-17. What a 3-point shot. Jello to Sabado, 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Jeff. Jeff passes to Joseph. Back to Ngo to Jeff. Jeff open 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Bryant Nee. So, Jello passes to Jedrick. Jedrick jumper. Oh, what a shot by Jedrick Yu. Easy baskets for him. Oh, almost intercepted. Screen. Given to JV to Ngo. Ngo open 3-point shot. Missed. Oh, rebounded by Ngo. To Joseph. Uy, Joseph. Uy, open 3-point shot. It's good. And rebound and assisted by Ngo. So Mark Ho, open 3. Missed. Jeff Go finding an open man. Diniretso pinasa kay Chester and a foul. So I think foul was called on number 26, Mark Ho. So 2 free throws for Chester C. Ooh, first free throw with the bank shot. Second free throw, no good. Niluwa. Our score is 27-19, still in favor of Sigma basketball. Jello to Jedrick. Cross-court pass to Sabado. Sabado, step back jumper, and rebounded by Mark Ho to Jedrick. Jedrick, three-point shot, miss, rebounded by Jeff Go. Diniretso, pinasa kay Jay Longo, three-point shot, missed, rebounded by Sabado, given to Jello. Jello, mid-range jumper, miss, and rebounded by Jeff Go. J-Lo passes to Joseph, back to J-Lo, to JV, oh, and a traveling violation. So it's in life ball. So Jedrick to Angelo. Oh, bad pass by Angelo, stolen by Jeff, leading to a nope. Good defense by Angelo, bumawi. Joseph to JB, back to Joseph. Ooh, Joseph with the nice pass. Ah, wait, no, sorry. Nice pass by JV. What a shot by Joseph. Oh, good trap. Oh, to end the first quarter, our score is 29-19, and we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back in action in the second quarter. 10 points ang lamang ng Sigma Basketball. Jamal to Chad. Chad on to Villano. Ooh! Good defense by Jax. So Rigo to Elton. Oh! Kaso stepping si Elton, medyo malakas ang pasa ni Rigo. So leading to a turnover. So it's in life basketball. First miss din ni Sid Villano kanina to start the second quarter. Zach Efron to Christian Lee. Christian Lee to Lloyd. Lloyd jumper, no good. Rebounded by Jericho C. So Rigo to Jax. Open 3-point shot missed. Rebounded by Chad. Chad with the crossover. Passes to Jamal. Jamal to Christian Lee. Christian Lee with the shot, no good. Rebounded by Jax. Passes to Elton. Pero stolen by Sed Villano. Masyadong malakas ang pasa ni Jax. Jamal to 3 points. Missed. Board lang. So Jax to Elton. One-on-one. And a foul. So he was fouled by Lloyd T. So 2 free throws for Elton Zeng. First free throw is good. So second free throw for Elton. No good. Rebounded by Christian Lee. Ooh, what a bad turnover. Hindi nakuha ang pasa ni Christian Lee. That was a basic pass. Origo to C, to Cheng, to Elton. Elton, jumper, missed, rebounded by Sed. Oh, and a steal by Rigo. So Elton, dumiretso with the sidestep. What a sidestep finish by Elton Zeng. That was a basic move for him. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Jamal to Chad for the open three. No good. Oh, so there's a foul on Lloyd D. So Rigo to Jax, to Jericho C. Passes to Jax again for the open three-point shot. Oh, rebounded by Dale now to Elton. Elton jumper missed. Oh, rebounded by Jax. And a foul. What a hustle by Jax. So two free throws. First free throw, no good. Second free throw for Jax. Oh, 1 out of 2 in the free throw line for Jax. Jamal to Lloyd. Back to Jamal. Passes to Villano. Villano. Ooh! What a block by Dale Lang, the defensive anchor of Sigma basketball. So we're still back to in life. In life. Ooh! What a defense by Sigma. Elton layup. It's good. So Chad, Jamal finding an open man to Chad. Back to Jamal. Jamal to Christian Lee. Christian Lee, jumper, missed. Hindi pa ata nakakascore si Christian Lee. Elton, dire-diretso. Ooh! What a shot by Elton Zing. Naghahanap pa ng foul. So Lloyd fakes. Lloyd jumper. No good. Rebounded by Jericho C. So Rigo, binababa ang bola. Passes to Elton. Elton, jumper. It's good. Masyadong mainit in the second quarter si Elton Zeng. And assisted by Rigo Cheng. So Chad fakes. Passes to Villano. And a traveling. So there's a mandatory substitutions for the both teams again. Sigma ball. JV to J-Lo. J-Lo to JV to Joseph to Chester C. Uy, to Jeff Go. Ooh. What unselfish basketball for Sigma. Gaganda ng paso nila, leading to a Jeff Go cut and a layup. Marco jumper and a foul. Foul was called on Chester C. So it's two free throws for Marco. First free throw is good. Second free throw for Marco, also good. Our score is 41-21 in favor of Sigma. 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining in the second quarter. In a good shot by Jeff Go in the mid-range. Angelo to Jedrick. Back to Angelo. To Mark Ho. Oh, so nice hustle by Chester C and Mark Ho. But it's Sigma basketball. So JV to JLo. JLo with the floater shot. What a shot by J Longo and assisted by JV Tan. Very focused ang si J Longo. So Jello to Mark to Sabado. Sabado fakes. Sabado jumper. No good. Rebounded by Knee. Ooh. Put back shot by Brian Knee. So Jeff to Joseph. Joseph 3-point shot missed. Rebounded by Chester C. To JV to JLo. JLo 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by Brian Knee. Ooh! Nice hustle by Joseph. Ooh, to JLo. Passes to Joseph. Muntik pang mag-fumble. But another 3-point shot by JLo. No good. Rebounded by Darius. To Jedrick. Jedrick floater. Good. Easy basket by Jedrick Yu. So JV to Joseph. To Jeff. Back to Joseph. Joseph 3-point shot miss. Rebounded by Bryant. Oop. Tek pang ma-steal. So Jedrick. Dire-diretso. Oh, what a shot by Jedrick Yu. Leading to a timeout by Sigma. Timeout was called on Jericho C and we'll be right back after a short break. So back to the ball game. So Joseph Uy to JV to Joseph to Jeff. Jeff open three. What a shot by Jeff Go. Medyo naghezi pa siya sa 3 points na yon. Buti tinira niya. Leading to a basket. Our score is 48-27. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jedrick 3-point shot. It's good. Assisted by Angelo Reyes. Jedrick Yu is the blazing hot scorer of In Life. Oop. Outside by Chester C, leading to a turnover. So it's In Life ball. Jedrick to Mark Ho. To Angelo. To Darius Sabado. 3-point shot. Still no good. Oop. Muntik pang ma-steal. Oop. Oh! Nakuha pa din ng Sigma basketball. Oh! No good. Nice putback by Joseph Uy. Assist na sana ni Jeff Go. Kaso, medyo tumatpad. There is to Jedrick. Jedrick, boarding. Nice one. Last mandatory substitutions for the both teams in the first half. So it's Sigma ball. Rigo to Jax. Jax open 3-point shot missed. Rebounded by Jericho C to Rigo Cheng. Rigo Cheng 3-point shot. Oh, what a shot by Rigo Cheng and assisted by Jericho C. So Jamao to Lloyd. Lloyd to said. Said jumper, it's good. So far, said has only missed one, I think one or two shots in the first half. So Rigo to Elton. Elton to Jax. Jax dumiretso pinasa kay Jericho C with a floater. What a shot by Jericho C. Picture perfect pass by Jax. So Lloyd to Sed. Oh, what a foul. Fouled by Jericho C, leading away 2 free throws by Sed Villano. Ang sinasabi ni Jeff Go ay mali ka ng binangga. Okay, Sid. So first free throw for Sid is not good. So second free throw for Sid, it's good. Our score is 35-55 in favor of Sigma. Ang laki na po ng lead ng Sigma in the first half. So Elton to Rigo. Rigo jumper. Uy, missed. And a foul by Jericho C to Christian Lee. In life ball. Lloyd to Chad. Oh, muntik pang ma-steal. Good defense by Rigo Cheng. Oh, air ball shot by Chad Ong. So there is a foul on Sed Villano. So Jax to Rigo. Rigo to Elton. Elton jumper, no good. Rebounded by Chad Ong. Chad Ong pull up jumper. Uy! And a foul. Fouled by number 11 Jax. So 2 free throws for Chad Ong. First free throw for Chad. No good. Second free throw for Chad. No good. Rebounded by Dale Nang. Jericho to Elton. Elton to Jax. Uy. What a defense by Sed Villano, leading to a steal. Uy! And a turnover. That was a bad pass by Christian Lee. Leading to a Sigma timeout, and we'll be right back after a short break. Back to the ball game. It's Sigma ball. So Elton to Jax. Ooh, Jax open 3-point shot and boarding lang. Rebounded by Chad Ong. Ooh, what a passing lane. Woo! Jax to Jericho, leading to a Rigo Cheng cut. Napatalon pa si Coach Jericho C. Chad Ong jumper miss and rebounded by Jax. Given to Elton. So Elton jumper, no good. Rebounded by Chad Ong. Oh, muntik pang ma-steal ni Rigo. Said, dribbles. Passes to Chad. Chad, jumper, no good. Rebounded by Dale now. Hindi makonect ni Chad ang kanyang mga jumper for this semifinals. Pero nung bandang quarterfinals, ang init niya. So Lloyd, dire-diretso. Lloyd, lay up. It's good. So to finish the second quarter, our score is 57-37 and still in favor of Sigma. And we'll be right back after a short break. So back to the ball game in the third quarter. So starting in the second half, wala po tayong mandatory substitutions na. Bahala na ang both coaches and the both teams. So Angelo to Chad. Chad to Christian. Christian Lee jumper missed. Parang sobrang lamig ni Christian Lee ngayon sa game na to. So Christian Lee to Bryant Knee. Bryant Knee jumper missed. Rebounded by Jeff Go. So Rigo Cheng jumper, it's good and assisted by Joseph Wu. So Angelo to Chad to Christian. Oh, passes to Bryant Knee. That was a good pass by Christian Lee. Mala point forward siya for today's game. Rigo jumper. No good. Rebounded by Chad. Chad to Jello. Oy! So it's Sigma ball. Joseph to Rigo. Oh, cross court pass to JV. Oh, passes to Jeff to JV. Woo! What a ball movement by Sigma Basketball. Good shot by JV and assisted by Jeff Go. Angelo to Chad. Chad to Jedrick to Angelo. Angelo open 3-point shot. Missed. Rebounded by Dale now. So Jeff, the point center, passes to Joseph Uy to Rigo Cheng. Rigo Cheng jumper missed. Rebounded by Brian E. Oh, muntik pang ma-steal ni Jeff. Jedrick, dumiretso. Ooh, good defense by J. Vital. Joseph to JV, open 3-point, no good. So it's Sigma ball. Ang tira ni J. Vitan doon, parang medyo gulat na gulat. So good defense for in life. So Joseph Uy to Jeff, to JV Tan, 3-point shot, and a good 3-point shot by Jeff Go. By JV Tan, assisted by Jeff Go. Sorry, my bad. Nalito. So Angelo to Sabado to Jello. Uses the screen, passes to Christian Lee. Makakashot na ba? Oh, yun! Finally, a shot for Christian Lee going to the free throw line. Will he convert the end one? First free throw for Christian Lee. It's good. Converting the end one. So it's Sigma ball. Joseph Uy finds an open man to Rigo, to Dale Nang. Back to Joseph. Joseph 3-point shot and a miss. Rebounded by Sabado. Oh, muntik pa mabitawan. Brian E. Dumiretso with the layup finish. It's good. Pero bad pass by Joseph. Uy, pero nakuha ni JV Tan. Jeff Go, dumiretso, and a good shot. That was a good assist by Rigo Cheng. Jedrick to Jello. Jello to Sabado. Open 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by Dale now to JV. Oh, and a traveling. So Angelo checks out and Lloyd T checks in for in life. Sabado to Lloyd. Oop, intercepted by Joseph Uy, pero still it's in life ball outside. Wow, pinakita ang vertical ni Joseph Uy. Brian screen. Darius jumper, no good, rebounded by Christian Lee. Passes to Bryant. Oh, and a block by Dale Nang. So it's in life ball. Jedrick, jumper, good. What a shot by Jedrick Yu. So hinihintay ni Rigo Cheng ang bola. So Rigo to Dale to Rigo to Jeff. No good. Rebounded by Christian Lee. Christian Lee dumiretso. It's good. Jeff go dumiretso to Rigo Cheng. Jumper. And good. Oh, so there was a foul on Christian Lee for pushing after the basket made. Or while the basket made. There is to Christian. Christian to Jedrick. Jedrick, you open! Woo! It's a 4-point play for Jedrick Yu and assisted by Christian Lee. The spark of In Life PH basketball's third quarter is none other than Jedrick Yu. No good free throw for Jedrick. Did not convert the 4-point play. Jedrick to no. JB to Elton is no good. So Christian Lee. Up! And a blocking foul by Elton Zing. So our score is 51-68. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the third quarter. So Christian Lee. Nope, bad pass. Intercepted by Dale now. Elton. Oh, sidestep. And the foul. What a shot by Elton Zeng. Sidestep. To convert the end one. Oh, Elton Zeng scores the bucket. Christian Lee. Oh, and a foul. Fouled by number 6, Jay Longo. So in life ball, Sabado. Pinasa kay Lloyd. Oh, and a bad pass. So Joseph Uy dumiretso. Oh, what a steal by Jedrick Yu. Oh, and a shot by Jedrick Yu. What a shot. And that was an assist by Bryant Nee. So Jax to Elton to JLo. JLo 3-point shot. What a shot by JLo Ngo and assisted by Elton Zeng. Wow. Oh, and another bad pass by Sabado. Elton dumiretso, basic layup for him as well. Lloyd to Sabado. Back to me, to Jedrick. Jedrick, open three-point shot. Rebounded by Bryant Nee. And a good defense by Dale Nang. Elton, sidestep again. Ooh! Muntik pang lumuwa, pero pumasok. What a shot by Elton Zeng. Basic lang. Ooh! What a block shot by Dale Nang. And what a shot by Bryant Nee. Elton to J-Lo. No good. Rebounded by Christian Lee. So Christian, steal by J-Lo. Bad dribble by Christian Lee. J-Lo, three-point shot. No good. Rebounded by Joseph and a foul. So there's a substitution for In Life. 2 free throws for Joseph Uy. First free throw is no good. Second free throw for Joseph Uy. No good. 2 free throws are no good for Joseph Uy. So Angelo jumper. Ooh. Clean shot. So Joseph to Jeff. Uy! What a steal by Chad Ong. Angelo to Chad. Masyado malakas yung pasa leading to a turnover. Our score is 57-78. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the third quarter. So Christian Lee to Sed. Sed, 3 points, no good. Rebounded by Chad. Chad fade away, no good. Rebounded by Jeff Go. Good defense by Sigma. Rigo, masyadong malakas ang pasa. So it's In Life basketball. So Angelo, using the screen of Christian Lee, passes to Sed. And a steal by Rigo. Passes to J-Lo. J-Lo drives. What a layup shot by J-Lo. Mukha siyang titira ng tres doon. What a shot. So Angelo to Chad. Passes to Sed. Intercepted by J-Lo. Passes to Elton. Elton, dumiretsong layup. What a shot. So, katabi natin ngayon si defensive MVP Maverick Chua. Defensive MVP Maverick Chua. Katabi ko ngayon kasi next game sila, Omote versus Solid Mix. So our score is 82-57, 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining in the third quarter. So Elton to Rigo. Gahanap ng screen. Using the screen of Chester. Passes to J-Lo. 3-point shot. What a spark plug finish by J-Lo. Wow! And another bad pass for in-life basketball. Wow. Masyadong mainit sa third quarter ngayon si J-Lo. So it's 54 seconds remaining in the third quarter. It's Sigma ball. Rigo to Jeff to J-Lo. Another three. No, missed. Air ball. So Jedrick behind the back. Dumiretso and a foul. So two free throws for Jedrick Yu. First free throw, miss. Second free throw for Jedrick. Good. Our score is 58-85. It's still in favor of Sigma. 25 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Rigo to Elton. Open three-point shot. No good. Oh, rebounded by Chester C. Passes to Jeff. Jeff go. Jumper. Ooh, clean shot. Ooh! Marco to Jedrick. What a shot. Sheesh. Sheesh a ball. To end the third quarter, our score is 60-87 in favor of Sigma, and we'll be right back after a short break. Sheesh. Okay, back in action in the fourth quarter.
Mama Mao. Mamiao.
So back to the ball game. Jeff go three-point shot. No good. Oh, rebounded by Elton. Elton dumiretso. And the rebound by nope. There's a foul on Chester C. So it's in life ball. So Jedrick dribbles diniretso. Tinira, pumasok. Wow! Jedrick Yu. Kaso, open si Elton Zeng for the layup. So nakabawi din kaagad ng score si Sigma. Derry Sabado, 3-point shot, missed. Baldog. Sabi naman, sabi ni Boss Maverick, Baldog, patay ang butiki. Jedrick Yu, stop and pass daw, sabi ni Maverick. Said, uy! No basket, and there's a offensive foul for Christian Lee to Rigo Cheng. Mukhang flying siko yun ah. Flying siko. Chinese siko daw, sabi ni Maverick.
Mr. Morik Muya. Naka-4 pa.
Jamal Muya, de 4, nanonood sa game.
With coffee.
Walang coffee.
Coffee and beer.
Coffee and beer daw. Naku, masakit sa tiyan yun. Uy, missed. Lloyd T, missed layup. J-Lo to Elton. Uy, masyado mababa yung pasa. Leading to a turnover. So substitution is called for Sigma. So Christian Lee, the point forward of In Life.
The Draymond Green.
Grabe naman sa Draymond Green. Uy, Derry Sabado, 3-point shot, still no good. So rebounded by Jeff Go, JB. Passes to Joseph, nakuha pa ni... Uy, masyadong malakas yung pasa. Uy, Jedrick 3-point shot, no good. Rebounded by Joseph Uy. So Joseph passes to J-Lo, no good. Uy, good defense by Darius, good block shot to Chester C. Cedric, dumiretso. Woo! Up and under for Ced Villano. Sheesh! Napakaangas. Eh. So inuubos na naman ng oras ni Sigma. Our score is 89-64. So there's a double technical violation for the both teams. Bakit?
Marami ng lechon.
Mukhang high blood ang dalawang coaches. Coaches Jericho C and Coach Jamau Muya. Very crispy ata.
Crispy pata. Ang favorite ni Miggy.
Oh, bakit ako? Hindi ako.
Chumika.
Loko.
Miggy, aka Mr. Gavin.
Loko.
Tukan!
So, Christian Lee. Uy! What? Tama. Si Uy nga. Si Uy ang naka-steal. Kaya tama ang tinawag ko. Uy. Joseph Uy. To Dale na. Uy, nako. Nakuha ni Jedrick. Jedrick dumiretso for the layup and na foul. So, there's a free throw for Jedrick Yu. Ooh, good shot. Converted the end one by Jedrick Yu. So, Jax to Dale to Joseph. Joseph to JV. JV to Joseph. 3-point shot. Woo! What a shot by Joseph. Uy, swish. Ang sabi ni Maverick Chua dahil sa 3-point shot ni Joseph, uy, bato, pick. So, inuubos nila ang walang gumagalaw na oras. So, what a steal by Elton to finish the layup. Wow. So Christian Lee to Lloyd T. Ooh! What a cut by Lloyd T. Assisted by the point forward Christian Lee. So Joseph to Jax to Dale. Dale mid-range shot, no good. Rebounded by Elton, good hustle. So Joseph to Jax. Jax open three-point shot, missed. Uy, nakuha pa rin ni Jax. But steal by Jedrick. Jedrick. Woo! Crocs. What a shot by AKA Crocs daw, sabi ni Maverick Chua. What a shot by Jedrick Yu. Scorching hot in the semifinals. Ooh, what a hard dribble to finish the layup by Elton Zeng. So said to Sabado.
Saturday. It's Saturday, bro.
Oh, it's Saturday now. Nope, it's
There is Saturday.
JB floater gets good. Ice cold si Derry Sabado sa 3-point shooting niya. Jedrick Yu, oh, he checked. Rebounded by Dale Nang. So Joseph to JV. JV jumper missed. Rebounded by Elton. Put back shot. So there is to Villano. Oop. Steal by Jax. So Elton dribble. Step back jumper. Woo! Very clean. Sheesh. So Sabado. Oh, dribble Sabado. Oy! And a steal by JV Tan. Elton Zeng 3-point, no good. Rebounded by Joseph to Elton. Sheesh! Another shot for Elton Zeng. My God, lumalayo na po ang lead. It's 104-71, 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. So 3-point shot, no good pa din for Derry Sabado. Napakalamig! Sheesh! So, what a move. Oh, shout out to Boss Alan and Mami. Andito na sila sa ating pwesto. So, Jedrick, 3-point shot, no good. Rebounded by Jax. Ooh, passes to J-Lo. J-Lo to JV. Back to J-Lo. J-Lo, 3 points. No good. So, Jello dribbles. Passes to Sed. Sed dumiretso. And a foul. Fouled by Jax. Leading to 2 free throws for Sed Villano. Rinaldo. Bagong sport kayo ah. Golf na lang ah. First free throw for Sed is no good. So, matatapon ko yung ano eh. Second free throw is no good for Sed. So, JV to Rigo. Open 3. Nope. Sed dumediretso. Nope. 2 free throws for Sed Villano. Nag-first free throw na ba? Hindi ko nakita. Second free throw na pala. Pumasok yung first. Okay. So, 1 out of 2 for Sed Villano. So, Jax passes to Rigo Cheng. Ooh, nice bounce pass. Cheng JB to Chester C. No good. Rebounded by Chester C again. Ooh. What a shot. Angelo dribbles to Chad Ong. Chad Ong for 3-point shot. No good. Oh, muntik pang ma-rebound ni Jedrick Yu. Good try. So with Sigma ball, our score is 106-72. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Mukhang tinatapos na lang yung game dahil di na makakahabol. So Chester, what a shot.
Mr. Wayne Chisholm.
Wayne Chisholm daw. Wayne Chisholm. Chisholm Jizzle? Young? Naglaro kanina. Nag-playing coach.
Jaworski. Mr. Marek Moya, a.k.a. Jaworski.
AKA Zac Efron.
Meow.
Namamiyaw daw. So Jax to Chester. Ooh! Sheesh! What a pass by Jax. Said to Chad. Chad dumiretso. Ooh, what a shot. And that was an assist by Sed Villano. So JV to Jax. Jax open three. No good. Rebounded by JV to Chester again.
Bam. Ade. Bawin.
From Adebawi. What now? Sheesh. Oh, what a shot by Jedrick Yu. So J-Lo to Chester. Chester, 3-point shot. Oy, muntik na. Looks like there you have it. Inuubos na lang yung oras. Our score is 76-112 in favor of Sigma. Sigma dominated both ends of the floor. Oh my gosh. So there you have it. To end the first game, Sigma wins and will advance to the finals. Matt.
Ade. Bawin.
And let's stick around and we'll be right back for the second game for the semifinals matchup for Omote versus Solid Mix. It will be the defensive MVP Maverick Chua versus the MVP Mark Shoes. Mark Yvestian. And goodbye.